Testing. Testing 1, 2. Are we live? Good morning, fellow traders. Good morning, chat. Tech 111, good morning. Timbo Trader, good morning. Jake Dell, good morning. John, good morning. Frozen North, good morning. Niles Amakre, Jeremy Shaw, Lawrence Harris, Jack Wiley, RXHX, Future Gamma Scalper, good morning. Good morning. Dean Bishop, Niles, Sean Trader, Touchdown, good morning. Frozen North, Sneaky Tube, Micro Player, Sam Owen, good morning, Almighty. Matty Matt, good morning. Good morning. SRQ Trader, RX. Man. Zugfest, good morning. Lobber Dobber. Wow, what a dump. What a dump here. All right, we have the yesterday's lows down here at the 680s. Good morning. You hope Elmo isn't telling you anything. Yeah, I'm afraid Elmo is trying to tell you something. That's unfortunate. You did. I'm just gonna give you guys a hint. It's gonna give you guys a hint. We didn't have a great overnight session. We did not. We definitely did not. You know who was the culprit? This stupid. Why did I trade gold? Please, someone tell me. Please. Please, someone inform me why I was. I thought I wasn't gonna. I thought we were good. I thought we weren't gonna trade gold anymore, and then we did. We're gonna have to reveal the Elmo. I knew it. I just. Anyway. It's a sad day. Yeah, I decided I'm going to join the other people. I'm going to hide my losses. I've heard it's good marketing. No, it's Can I use it? No, I'll show you guys. Are you guys ready? Shield your eyes. Shield your eyes. I don't want anybody to go blind. Shield your eyes. We're about to reveal. There it is. There it is. It could be worse, I guess. I guess it could be worse. But man, I'm actually, I don't know if I'm going to trade. Let's just say I was very, very, very mad. Oh, my first tilt session in quite some time. But hey, they're still alive. They're still technically alive, so that is a plus. There was a small little moment in time where I was we were about to say our goodbyes. Actually, I was down 2,200 on him. That's the most. So just so bad. I'm just upset at how stupid I was. All because all because of gold. Stupid gold. Right here. Like, why do I chase these moves is beyond me. And then I stayed up way late and got chopped up. Then I tried a couple more trades this morning. What really upset me this morning, I tried a short right here. Actually, let's just, okay, now, full disclosure, you guys are going to have to really shield your eyes. I'm going to show you my executions. And it's ugly, okay? You're going to want to unsee this, okay? Are you ready? Look at that pathetic. But look, I went short, and then I literally stopped out at the highs. It was just an absolute disaster. And then I got mad. I just straight up tilted. I did finally come to my senses and decided, you know what? Let's just whoa, what a bounce. Oh, man. Okay, I am going to trade these take profit trader accounts, though. Just full disclosure, I am locked out. So, but I'm also, I need to share this, I think. I hate to do this. I know QuantGuard has been having a lot of issues lately. I need to get in touch with Miles. I feel bad for him. But I am trying out a different risk management software in the meantime. So far I really like it. But I am locked out of my Apex accounts. Just the way everything has gone today, I'm just not going to risk myself going crazy. And so, yeah, I mean, I'm going to trade these take profit trader accounts. I'm not saying we need to get back to green. I know it's risky. But wow, look at that bounce. What a bounce. Wow, what is this? Wow, this is crazy. Good morning, R5 Studios. I know. What a crazy rip here. Unbelievable. I actually had the 720s. That's so frustrating. I had the 720s marked as an area where we might see a bounce, but I didn't take it. Volatility is high, folks. V-shape reversals. What's new? Sometimes need to tape it shut out of the open. I know. You know what else? I knew it. I knew. Like, this is what it's, I don't know why it is like this, but there is every time, it seems like it never fails. Every single time I make a post like this, like 41 days traded, showing my equity curve, like, I mean, I don't mean to come across like I'm bragging or anything. I'm just trying to like show that every time I make a post like this, It never fails. It never fails. Every time. Every time after, I get absolutely destroyed. So it's so annoying. Anybody know, was there some kind of news on this move or what? I'm going to check the news, see if there's any. Fed Waller, I don't think AI is going to substantially displace white collar work. I mean, that can't be what. I think it's just a. I think the market's just a V-shaped reversal. Nothing crazy. Also, there is news at 10. Nothing major. Actually, what is. Let me look at what the actual news is. So, news at 10 o'clock, consumer confidence. It will probably move the market a little bit at least. Man. What a rip. What a V-shaped move. I tell you what, man. This market is crazy. What a rip. All right, we're breaking out above the 24,900s. That's a 200-point V-shaped reversal. Shake my head, man. Shake my head. This is look at the last couple days. Look at this market. I mean, this is hard to trade. I don't care who you are. That's crazy. I feel safe. I feel safe that like being that I've locked myself out of my Apex accounts, I feel like in a weird way, mentally, I've already kind of accepted my fate with Take Profit Trader. I'm not saying I want to blow the Take Profit Trader accounts today, by no means, trust me. But it's like, I know that's the most damage I can do today, so I kind of am, like, I kind of feel okay, kind of feel safe. Last 3 days, the market sold off after the open, thinking we were due for a green day. I thought about it, John, like, I honestly, I was distracted. I was showing you guys my red accounts. I should have been paying attention because I had the 720s as an area to buy, and I literally, I missed it. But I am definitely not in a great headspace today. Look at this thing just continue to go. I can't chase this. I just can't do it. Look at this go. I mean, what are we doing? Yeah, only a monkey goes long here. I know. I played the short of the 3-minute opening bar the last 3 days where the green 40s in a row rush a bit, but I've been burning. Yeah, John. See, John, I still remember that 3-minute opening range. The 3-minute opening range, like I've been tempted to go back into it. Like I kind of want to. Remember when I was doing it, and I think I was doing it wrong. Because lately, like, I mean, we've had some crazy moves at the open where you can literally capture 100, 200 points. And that's the key with that 3-minute opening range trade. You have to let your winners run. Because you're going to have you can have 5 losses in a row, but keep your losses minimal. Let them runners run. I know, John. I was looking at the same thing. I think this is partially my issue. Right here, there is really no. I don't have a thesis or a bias on the day. Really, like the daily really isn't showing anything. If I had more discipline, I would just not trade today because I don't think we're going to get a really good, clean. I think it's going to be choppy. I think we could easily see another V-shaped reversal lower. So I don't know. I'm going to trade it. I know I am. So today's going to be a bumpy ride. I can tell you that much. It is going to get rough. It is going to get very rough. Hey, UK futures trader is in the building. Good morning. Good morning. Save ammo for NVIDIA earnings tomorrow. Is NVIDIA earnings tomorrow afternoon? Tomorrow after the close? Okay, I see, John. Yeah, I feel like that's the key. You have to get in with more than one contract so that you can at least lock in some profits and then let the remaining one run. Come on, market. We need a bigger pullback. I might actually take a short here if I really like it. I usually don't, but do you think we're going to see some choppiness? Man, is this really just gonna keep going? Ah. Man, I might try a short. I feel like, oh, I feel very bold if I short this. Let's just be patient. Let's wait. Oh. John, I know, right? I waited and it drops 30 points, which really isn't that big of a move. It really is not that big of a move. I mean, technically, I should just wait for a move back into the 880s and then go long. That's what I should do. I don't know if that's what I will do, though. Today. Ugh. Just send it. Just send it, says John. I mean, I probably should, but I'm not going to do it. We're going to wait, and I'm going to be... Yep, here we go. Pulling back down through the 900s. Oh, snap. Chat. Why didn't you tell me to short? You should have told me, chat. This is where it starts messing with your mind. Because technically right here is where I should go long. Oh, is this actually going to V-shape reverse now? All right, I'm doing it. I said I was going to do the 880s, so I'm going to do it. If we're wrong, we get out. If this is going to V-shape all the way back down, imagine. Oh, I forgot. We have news at 10. We have news in 4 minutes. I don't know if I want to be in this trade when that news comes out. I'd love to get it popped back up into the 920s. Come on now, just give me up. Test the 920s again. Come on. No, you jerk. I wasn't quick enough. I was too slow. Too slow. Come on, man. Should have taken that. I should have taken that. Idiot. I got to see a pump right here. I'm going to close it. We definitely missed. We should have taken it. I guess we might hold the news. I guess we'll wait and see. Hello? I mean, that news did nothing. At least not yet. Ah. I hate this thing. No, it's gonna be a rough day, guys. That's just how it's gonna be. It's gonna be a rough one, folks. It just gets so annoying. This market. Rip it! Come on! Trash market. Keep going! Oh, I hate. Oh, I need my. I'm gonna need my stress ball today. I can tell. I'm gonna need my stress ball today. Why are you like this, market? Why? Why? I want to know why. Why must you be so difficult? Just go higher. I mean, how hard can it be? Go! Idiot. I'm just so, I'm gonna get so annoyed today. Well, I need my weight. I need my weightlifting. Oh, I hate this. I actually. Mm. Mm. Getting annoyed. Rip it. Come on, market. Please. Please. Maybe we need to beg. Black Axe Trader. We just need this thing to, like, I know we tested VWAP. It's time to go higher, market. Come on. Stop diddly-dattling around. Rip it! Now go! 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 Keep going! Go! Yes, yes! Go, baby, go! I'm gonna leave. We're back. I needed my stress ball, okay? It was very important. Come on, go. Go. Fine, I'm going to take it off. Fine. Now watch this thing rip to the moon. If it does, this thing now goes to the moon. I am not going to be held responsible for anything I do. It's the market's fault. Age, sorry, John, I wasn't watching. I think it's one of those where you make it all back or blow the account. Did I read that wrong earlier? Lanto is a fraud also. The whole drama between, like, the whole drama with Lanto. Okay, son of a market. Ugh! I have a really tall ceiling. Oh, I can't believe this. Please don't just rip higher, please. Please. Apex delayed in payouts. I reached out to them. I think it's because of the new system and everything they're putting in place. Yeah, I know, Roa Trade. I think just got to be patient right now. But okay, the thing with Lanto, okay, there's two sides to the story, okay? And I can kind of see the perspective on both sides. I'm going to share you my just my 2 cents. So it is very okay. Lanto was, somebody made a post. I forget who it was. I think it might have been Sage Trades. And Sage originally made a post claiming or basically insinuating that he probably spent 750,000, or he mentioned a number like 500 to 750,000 that he spent in order to make his 1.7 million. Well, so that's important because that was the original claim. Yeah, it was some kind of Ryan. And Lanto kind of blew that off as that's a joke. But in from both sides, Lanto earlier said he mentioned he spent around 20,000. Now he didn't mention what time frame that was in, but okay, then Lanto asked Take Profit Trader for his expenses basically from up to November. Now, he asked for his expenses only to November because that is when he got his $1 million payout. And the original claim was that he spent 500 to 750,000 in order to make the $1 million plus. So that's why he only did it to November in his eyes. And, okay, he ran the reports. Okay, the whole thing that his numbers and transaction numbers didn't match up because he did a couple live streams where he would go to the actual email. It's such a mess, but okay, he would go to the email that Take Profit Trader sent. Take Profit Trader asked him, or he asked Take Profit Trader, can I have a expense, all my expenses, including his wallets, everything. And so he would download the spreadsheet. Now, he did it multiple live streams because people kept questioning him. So every time he would go in and download the spreadsheet again. So in his downloads folder, he had like 7 downloads of the same spreadsheet. Some people were trying to make that out like that was suspicious. To be honest, I don't think it was. I don't think that part is suspicious at all. I think it would have been way more suspicious if he didn't go to the original email every time and re-download it, because he could have edited it easily. If he didn't go to the email and download it first, then it would be way easier for him to just go directly to his downloads folder into a spreadsheet that he had already audited, right? So him re-downloading it directly from his email every time he was questioned about it, that was actually the right thing to do, honestly. And because that way you could tell that there was no way that he was auditing the spreadsheet, because he would download it and then immediately open it directly from the email. And the email was verified that it did come directly from Take Profit Trader. So I'm sorry, but that's not the issue. The issue, I guess, that people have is that he only did the expenses to or through November. Well, and that's also kind of like, okay, you guys were claiming he spent $500,000 to $750,000 to make his million. He got his $1 million payout in November. So it does make kind of sense that he would only show his expenses from then until November. And he ran the report and he spent $160,000. So he didn't spend $500 to $750. He spent $160. So to me, I don't really think. Now, of course, there were people that bet, Sage was betting 50 to 100,000 that he spent more than 300,000. Now that's where there's some gray area, because Sage was claiming he meant his all-time spend, not just up to November. So I don't know. To me, I think, okay, the other problem then is you can go to your Take Profit Trader dashboard. I mean, here, I'll show you guys. It's not that hard to do. This is where it is a little bit, basically, Lanto could basically kind of shut everybody down by just doing this simple thing. I got to log in here first. But basically, if you go to your Take Profit Trader account and you go to rewards, this right here shows how much you have spent to a couple $100. So right here, if you go to, like, if you go to here and you go to rewards, this here, I have spent, what, 75,000 in 3 years? So that, if Lanto just shows this, it really kind of shuts everything down. So that's the other side of the story. But you know, I don't know, technically he showed that he only spent 160,000 in order to make that 1.7 million. So, you know, in that case, Lantos is right. And I don't think he faked it. Like, I think he did it the right way. The whole, like, he downloaded the spreadsheet directly from his email and opened it. Like, I do think that was done the way it should be done. I would have been way more suspicious if he just always opened the same file. Let's go, Roa Trades. You're tier 1 with less than 10K spent. See, I mean, trust me, the difference is I've never claimed to be great at trading take profit trader. You all know my struggles. I have had insane struggles with take profit trader. One of my worst, probably my worst return on investment in my prop firms that I trade is take profit trader. But anyway, that's the whole, that's my 2 cents on everything. Yeah, I know, Peter. I didn't. Thank you. It's trailing drawdown in the funded account. Yes, it does stop after your drawdown dollar amount. Once you get above the drawdown, then it stops. Or when you hit the buffer, yes. What about the pre-prompts from ChatGPT? I mean, so Trader Kevin B, yeah, I again, me personally, it's not how I would have done it. Is that enough to say that was, I don't know, I feel like that isn't, I think it would have been better if he would have opened the spreadsheet and highlighted the dates and dollars and totals and done it that way. Me personally, I think that would have been better. But ChatGPT also is really good at doing math. So it's not like, you know, his ChatGPT is going to lie about it. Now, there were 2 different transaction and amounts on the 2 different times he did it, but it was because of how he prompted ChatGPT. The first time he prompted it to November, and the next time he prompted it through November. So the transaction amount for the one that he prompted to November obviously is going to be different than the one he prompted as through November. All right, this thing is feeling, I mean, all right, market, I feel like it is kind of safe now to look for longs. We have held this. I was a little worried we're just going to start to dump. I'm scared. I'm scared to trade this market. All right, let's see. We make new highs. We got to get up through the 960s. All right, we are trying to make new highs. Look at this. Man, this market is crazy. And there it goes. There she goes. Feel like as soon as I feel safe going long, you know this thing's going to just dump. I can just feel it in my bones. I can just feel in my bones that the market is just going to totally, it's just going to trigger me today. I can just feel it. I can just feel it. We would be up 100 points now if I just held, by the way. Don't be scared. All right, let's see. Let's see what happens at the 25,000s. Let's see what happens. All right. 25,000. Wow, we were just ripping higher now. I just wish I had more conviction on that original trade. Should have just had a little more conviction, and we didn't. Yeah, this is so annoying. Yesterday's highs 25,040s. The daily chart is starting to look pretty bullish. But it scares me. It still scares me. I don't know. What's gold doing? I don't even want to look at gold. Oh, I don't. I already know I don't want to see it. It's going to trigger me. I'm going to look at it anyway. Yeah, I knew it. I knew it. Pretty sure I stopped out down here. I don't want to see gold ever again. It's all gold's fault. 25,020s, here we go. Now we're just going straight up. Yeah, John, it's doing the fake out, but I still just don't really trust it. I feel like for us to really get bullish, we got to get above the we got to get above this 140. But oh man. Look at this. Look at this. I'm just scared this is going to dump again, but I don't know what else to do. I'm definitely not going to short it up here. I can't do that. I know that much. We're just going to have to wait for a pullback. See if we can't. Honestly, if we can get this down to like I love, $800-900 red day, that'd be awesome. Why can't we just have some nice days of I know. Tell me about it, RX. When I trade minis or when I trade evals, yes, I trade minis. I definitely do. I did think about, I don't want to say I was thinking about it, but I did longingly look at silver. I just brief little lapse in judgment. I lustfully looked at silver. Has anyone had a statistic now with a simple spreadsheet? Oh yeah, that's right. There is that gap fill from where is that gap fill? $25,080s. $25,080s is that gap fill. That is that's interesting. We could be heading that direction. Hmm. If we pull back like into the 960s, 960 areas where I will look to buy. You know, we're going to get bigger pullbacks with this kind of volatility. What size did I use for the P&L loss? Hard to believe, but five, I think the most, okay, I traded 4 micros on gold. That was my mistake. So that was definitely where things went wrong. Come on, market, give me a pullback. I demand it. Yeah, it is, Robert. It's definitely too. It was definitely too big of a size. I really want this to pull back more, though, but I'm worried it won't. I might. Man, I hate this. This thing's gonna rip, isn't it? I can feel it. I'm just gonna go in with smaller size. If we pull back here, I'll add. This is definitely a little bit of FOMO. Quite a bit of FOMO, to be honest. Market just all of a sudden died. Market died. Hey, Tim. Good morning, Tim. Everything is fine. It's just a flesh wound. I'm curious, are you ever going to do any more Apex leaderboard videos, or did you stop tracking that? I might, Scaz Trader. Honestly, people getting so I don't know, butthurt over it anymore. It's almost not worth the pain or the suffering to do it. All right, we got a rip here. I want to see us the 60s. Hoping we take out the 60s. But right now we're struggling to break above the 20s. Make more golf videos? Niles, I want to. I really want to. I'm actually gonna, if I do, I'm probably gonna make a separate channel and start posting on that. Okay, here we go. Now keep going. Give me the 25060s, please. Please don't be a fake out here and then just dump. You're good, Niles. I read the price action right well. The problem is risk management. I mean, my problem was pretty easily defined today. My problem was trading 4 micros gold when I was frustrated and on tilt. That was the problem. I wasn't even looking at price action when I did that. I was mad. That was the problem. Yeah, I know, John. I was just looking at like the 25080s. I would be the gap fill. So I kind of want to see what happens, but the 25060s is the double top. So, okay, this is where oh, please don't. This is going to test my patience today. This market is going to do everything it can to press my buttons today. I can feel it. I'm going to start streaming once I get my sim set up. Can that be a write-off for the entire thing? Yes, why not, Tim? Market, stop it. Stop it. You're hurting me. Okay, this is exactly what I did not want to see. Oh my. I might kill this. I might kill this. I don't like it one bit. Is that a fib? No, this is not a fib. This is just the session high and the 15-minute opening range high, 15-minute opening range low, and the midpoint. I don't trust this long now. I'll try a long again if we pull back into the 960s. If this thing just rips straight up now, I mean, it probably will. Let's just be honest. It probably will. Come on, market. Give me a bigger pullback. Ah. Man, it's like what is going on now? The market just died. I really was hoping we'd see a bigger pullback here. Come on. Really wanted to see a bigger pullback. Yeah, the market's halted. Yeah, right now the market, we've seen this before where we'll see a crazy move and then it'll just go like sideways and consolidate. Then usually we'll see a fake out one way and then it rips the other way. Super annoying. Super annoying if you don't catch it correctly. Come on, dump. Give me a pullback here. It's also 1050. Man, if I was part of me, I want to short this. I'd be more likely to short this if we took out the 60s and the 80. Like, if we took out that gap fill from Sunday night, I'd feel a little better about shorting, but right now, feel like we still got to look for longs. I just want to see a bigger pullback. Great area for shorting gold. Oh, John. Oh, snap. Oh, don't tempt me. I want to get revenge on gold so bad. I want to get revenge on gold. Gold owes me like $1,500. Man, this is annoying. I'm getting too impatient, but I'm gonna try it again. This thing just seems like it does not want to go lower. So let's see if it wants to rip. This is like the ultimate test. If we can't get a pullback when I go long, we know the market is extremely bullish. This is like a trap. I'm pretending like I want the market to go higher, but I actually want it to go lower so I can DCA. Yeah, see? Mission accomplished. Hold my beer. Come on down to the 960s. Come on down. I can't look at gold. I can't. I am not allowed to trade gold today. Do not let me do it. Do not let me do it. Do my 4-tick stop. Oh. You mean on silver, Jay Wilson? Too easy. We'll do what was that trade we did? Do you guys remember? Did we do 2 minis on silver with 4 or 6 ticks of take profit? I forget. What was that? What was that? What was it 4 ticks or 6 ticks? I don't remember. Was it 2 contracts mini? Two mini silvers? I mean, this price action just turned into an absolute snooze fest all of a sudden. What is going on? Hey, there's the pullback. Thanks, market. Appreciate it. Yeah, thank you, man. I love it. Love it. All right, give me the 960s. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, come to Papa. I knew it. I knew this strategy. I knew this strategy would work. No, don't go higher. Bad. Bad market. Bad. You get your butt back down here right now. No. Watching Jesse's video on Apex and Stonk, nice to see Apex has the ability to show hard facts. Yeah, John, that's exactly what exactly. I've been trying to get Apex to do that for, I'm glad, I hope they start doing that a little bit more with people that claim they didn't do anything wrong, but they know they did. And they're just trying to use their influence to basically almost blackmail Apex into paying them. Not okay. So I like the direction it's heading, and there's going to be more. There's going to be more happening. How long does it take Apex to approve or deny a payout request? JJ, so right now it's taking longer. Right now they're in the middle of getting, I feel like they're switching over their systems, and I don't know. I've noticed that it's taking a little bit longer than normal. I reached out to see like, hey, when is he going to be back on track or whatever, but I don't really have an update right now, but my code Lucid is 50% off. Yes, Johnny Trader. Thank you, Johnny. I appreciate that. Thank you. All right. Can we get to the 960s? I'm not sure I have a plan if we start going below the 920s. If we go below the 920s, we're just going to admit we have a problem. Like a major problem. Come on, market. I really don't want this to go higher right now. It sounds, I'm actually not joking. I want to see us test the 960s first. Man. Now it's gonna go. Don't I usually have a daily stop loss in play? More so on my Apex accounts. Yeah, see, now it's gonna go, which is fine, but that's not what I wanted the 60s first. I'm just gonna pretend like I'm not happy, okay? Let's just pretend like this is bad. This is bad, guys. We don't want this market to go higher, okay? This is not good. I would hate if this would go up to the 25. If this would go up to the 25080s, it would be so bad. Just really don't want to see that. Please don't go to the 580s. Please don't do it, market. We just can't handle that. Market just won't listen to us today. Yeah, we don't want it, guys. Chat, we want it to come back down. Yes, come back down. No. Come down, market, please. Please come down. Please dump it. Come on. Please come down, market, please. No, don't go higher. Come down. No, market, no. You're so bad. You're so bad. We're cooked, chat. We're cooked. Oh, this market is so bad. Just can't catch a break. Market, please don't break out. Please, please don't do it. Don't. Please, please, please don't break out. Don't do it. No. Please, no. I'll never recover. Don't do it, market. Please. Please, no. Please don't break out. Don't do it. We can't have that, market. Please go lower. Yes. Please come back down, market. Do it. Hey, Diversatility is here. Good morning. M. Susan. Please, market. We need you to come lower. Please don't break out. No. We're cooked, chat. Don't break out. Don't do it. Don't do it, market. No. Oh, why? China. Say China and let the market drop 100 points. Let's try it. China. 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 Doesn't work. We're cooked, chat. We're cooked. We are cooked. We might need to play some Ben and Rose. Oh, man. Oh, there we go. Thank you, market. Please come down. Come on down, please. Please. That's it. Keep coming down. This shows how stupid the market is. That's all I'm doing. That's great, market. That's just great. That's just great. Keep coming down. Yeah, that's it. I knew you could do it. It's too easy. Too easy. Too easy, chat. I'm not even sure what I want the market to do, to be honest. I've confused my own self. I wonder the same thing. What's up with the balls staying stuck on the roof? What are you talking about? I just have tall ceilings. It's just tall ceilings, chat. Come on, market. Don't fake out here. Please pull back. Please come. Yeah, go lower. Go lower. Please come lower. Dump it. Dump it. Do it, market. Dump it. 100 points lower. You can do it. No, Benjamin. That's not a good way to sign. Benjamin. 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 I don't like that. You good, Benjamin? Market, don't go higher, please. Benjamin, type in the chat. I want to make sure you're okay, Benjamin. Be careful, the market might actually listen to me. Tim, you must be new here. You must be new, Tim. The market never listens to me. That's the whole point. But we're playing chess. Market's playing checkers. Watch, watch. That's right, market. Come on, dump it. That's it. That's the spirit. That's the spirit. Keep dumping. Yeah, we do. Market, don't do it. You know you don't you dare break out here. Don't you dare. Oh, I forgot I was going to play golf at some point today, but I'm not even sure I'm in the mood to play golf. Really, market? Really? What are we doing, chat? Stop going higher. Absolutely unbelievable. Yeah, I want the market to come down. That's right. Shh. No shot this goes higher. Just, what are we? Unbelievable. This. No shot. No shot. I'm so surprised that the market just keeps going up. Oh, it's so bad, chat. How are we going to recover? So bad. We're going to blow these accounts.